Hello all, welcome to the video. In the previous video, we had discussed the role that business analysts play in IT projects. We had looked into two different phases of a project and tried to understand the difference in the activities that business analysts do in each of these. Today, we are going to look into this in a bit more detail and discuss how the skill set of business analysts who are involved in these two phases differ. Let us begin by revisiting the activities that we discussed in the previous video. The activities that we discussed for phase 1 are displayed in screen now. Let us try to understand the skill set that a BA need to possess for doing each of these. In order to arrive at the reason for declining profits is low sales, one may need to be aware of financial analysis and how to perform this. Moving further, to understand that the reason for low sales is low customer satisfaction index, one may need to study the competitors of the organization and other parameters needs to be researched, for which a BA need to be aware of market analysis. And then to identify that the reason for low customer satisfaction index is poor after sales service, a BA need to be aware of the business model and may need to perform SWOT analysis of the organization. And further, the business analyst may need to do process analysis in order to identify that the reason for poor after sales service is because the agents are not aware of the previous interactions made with the customer, and in turn, the reason for this is because the history of activities on customer claims are not tracked in system. Moving further, when finally the recommendation for a new CRM system is made, a BA may need to be aware of the different vendors which offer CRM systems so that an assessment of the different vendors can be made. Now let's move on to phase 2. In phase 2, the first activity that we discussed is to get the list of departments of the organization, followed by assessing the departments that are impacted by the CRM system and studying the as-is process of the systems and how these are interconnected. For this, a BA may need to do document analysis, interface analysis, and process modeling. Now, for the next set of activities, that is, to recommend the future to be process and articulate possible caveats of the proposed solution, as well as to support the development team in building the new solution, a BA may need to employ techniques like acceptance and evaluation criteria, user stories, process modeling, data modeling, etc. With this, we are able to understand that the skill set that a BA may need to possess for phase 1 is completely different from that must be possessed for doing the activities in phase 2. So, we can conclude that the job title of business analyst is very broad, and the day to day work done by business analyst for a particular job opening may be completely different from the work done and skills required for another. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please do share your feedback in the comment section of the video. Thanks for watching.